Farewell. Farewell ata ito, hindi naman birthday.
Meron po kami preparation para sa inyong passport na galing talaga sa mga
Kasi mahirap naman kung galing sa ibang...
Birthday, wala ko comment dapat. Sige.
Ito na po talaga yun. Jason, paano ko ba may papakita sa isang tao na super appreciated?
Maraming paraan eh, pero yung sa pinakasimpleng way na talagang mag-feel ng tao talaga is just by saying a simple thank you.
Thank you. Paano ba yun?
Teka lang.
May kodigo.
Parang ganito siya eh. Teaching me how to love, showing me what the world needs. I'll be dreaming of, and now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thank you. Oh.
Showing me my emotions, and you know I see from what is not what is something more than I ever hoped for. And I love what I hope for.
No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no height, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will be true. Thanks to you. Teaching me how to live. How to give and how to take. We will put it together. Forgive me, but it's true. It's the love I feel inside. Thank you. There's no mountain, no valley, no space, no height, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will see through. Thanks to you. Thanks to you. Thanks to you.
Jason, ganun pala. Paano ba natin ipapakita kay Pastor Chris na sobrang appreciated ka?
Sa tingin mo, ano bang kailangan natin isabihin para sa amin?
Ano sa tingin niyo?
Ano ba tayo ng friend? Ha?
May you live long.
Ano, and may special na ano ginagawa para sa kanya? May special na ginagawa para kay Pastor Chris, yung mga youth. Kaya kinuha ko muna yung phone sa kanya. Nasa ka na ba?
Bakit ang ganda ni Chris?
Siyempre ako may birthday.
Birthday kiss po, birthday kiss eh.
Oh, sige, sige. Bata ka na dito.
Pastor, baby
Ba't
boy
yun
daw
na?
sabi si Dr.
Wala na.
Baby boy?
Wala, ay, ayun din.
Oo, andito na yung iba. Oo.
Pastor, may message. Pastor,
Ah, oh, sige lang. Okay lang.
21 years old ka na.
Pero kasi... Oh, sige, sige. Bye-bye.
Sino?
21? Message eh. 21? Pastor, explain na ako.
Type 3.
Siyempre, simulan natin yung yan.
Ano? I'm going to blow the candle?
Yes.
Birthday wish po, birthday wish. Wish.
O, bakit?
Please pa po.
Prayer, oh, pwede.
Wish ba prayer?
Wish pa
Sabi ko ba sa inyo?
Yes.
Gaya po namin eh.
2, 3.